Unlocking the mystery. Send in the clowns. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, and we're shining a spotlight on one that's as intriguing as it is poetic. Send in the clowns. This phrase is rich in meaning and history, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. The phrase, "send in the clowns," comes from the world of theater and performance. Traditionally, in a circus setting, when things weren't going as planned, or there was a lull in the entertainment, clowns were sent in to lift the spirits of the audience, keep them engaged, and cover up any mishaps. It's a metaphorical way of calling for help or a distraction when situations become too serious or somber. But there's more to this phrase than circus lore. It was popularized by the song, "Send in the Clowns," from Stephen Sondheim's 1973 musical, A Little Night Music. In this context, the clowns represent a sense of irony or a twist of fate, especially in situations filled with high expectations that somehow end in disappointment. It's about the timing of life's surprises, often highlighting the absurdity of our woes and the unexpected turns life can take. You might use "send in the clowns" in everyday conversation to express a need for lightening the mood during a tense situation, to call attention to the irony or absurdity of a moment, or when you find yourself in a situation that has gone awry and is beyond repair. It's a way to acknowledge the complexity of human emotions and the unpredictable nature of life, often with a hint of humor or resignation. "Send in the clowns" is more than just a call for entertainment. It's a reflection on life's unpredictability, the irony of unmet expectations, and the universal need for a moment of relief amidst chaos. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the depth of this phrase and inspires you to use it in your own conversations. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's also about connection, expression, and the art of storytelling. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning and keep exploring.